Within the range of set-top products, the M1 is the result of a brilliant idea. A team of designers and engineers with the skill and practical know-how to create a global solution for topography and engineering. After a lot of hard work, we have been able to integrate all of the possible GNSS solutions in one simple device, and this has led to the creation of the first GNSS multifunction kit, the M1. Among other possible functions, the M1 can be configured as a rover device, as base, as a reference station, or to control a total station, and so carry out monitoring and auscultation jobs. And besides all that, its dimensions and weight make the M1 the smallest, lightest, and easiest to handle device on the market. Moreover, its precision and efficiency are created in the fabrication process. All of the set-top M1 covers are created using a mechanized process with numeric control. This construction process guarantees the tolerance and resistance of the product, something which is difficult to obtain with a standard injection process. Each part is submitted to an extremely strict quality control process with tri-dimensional digital control tools. Each finished piece undergoes a special electrolytic anodized treatment, which protects the parts from inclement weather. We have devoted a lot of time and thought to trying to build a really intuitive kit and to make it as complete as possible. And it was when we were working on that, we came up with the idea of an interface network which would be able to manage all of the functions and applications of the M1. You will be able to use any device via Wi-Fi and 3.5G to configure all of the M1 solutions. It may seem surprising, but you can use a computer, a tablet, a telephone, or even a field controller to access the M1. There exists the possibility of sending differential corrections via the radio formats TrimTalk or SATEL and an internal telephone, Castor. Moreover, it can also be configured to emit the differential mediant internal telephonic correction through an N-trip Castor. The rover comes equipped with a data collector and the set-top GPS application. It can carry out all types of fieldwork, like data gathering and axis redefinition. The differential corrections can be received via an internal radio or from a telephone connection to a Castor. It can be configured as a fixed piece of equipment which transmits differential corrections via radio, mobile phone, or Wi-Fi with Castor activated. It can be configured as a mobile device with PPS output to synchronize hydrographic equipment. The device can be configured as a mobile receiver which registers data for post-processing and calculates data in RTK real-time at the same time as it is controlling a robotic total station, which is carrying out measurements in the zone to be auscultated. This allows you to verify that the total station wasn't displaced when it was being set up in an area with possible movements. All the data is sent via internet. The device can be configured as a mobile receiver in combination with a platform installation application, which allows you to see the position of the platform in real time via internet. You can configure the device as a mobile receiver in combination with a crane guidance application in order to place blocks in position, and you can see the position of the blocks in real time through the output of a series of data and via internet. It is possible to configure external sensors that allow you to receive data from other devices on temperature, pressure, and inclination via cable or radio, and you can see the data on your web page. It is possible to share files via Wi-Fi and 3.5G telephone, which lets you exchange information between different field data collectors and your technical office computer. Access to the internet can be configured via a Wi-Fi network created by the set-top M1, which allows various PCs or data collectors to connect themselves to the network. This option is applicable to the rest of the configurations. The set-top application package is a set of applications which provide specific solutions in the fields of topography and engineering. Easy-to-use field applications and office utilities which allow any user to do tasks which could normally, in the past, only be carried out by specialist companies. 220 channels. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo. 3.5G telephone module. Network interface. Radio transmitter and receiver compatible with TrimTalk and SATEL. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. USB RS-232, gates and communication. Switchable output feeder. Internal data memory.